So if we condense these, we can really understand this harmony in its non-open form and then expand it. So in its closed form, we have F sharp diminished 7 to G minor. So try that in every inversion. Make sure you can play from diminished to minor. So that's really what we're creating here, but we're opening it up through these voicings. Now we're on our E flat major chord, temporarily holding on to that C. Becomes an E flat major 7. And here's our D diminished. Oh, excuse me, this is D dominant. Similar to diminished, right? If we change this one note, we would have had that same diminished as before. So diminished and dominant are actually very closely related. But because we have an interval of 4 half steps, or a major third, it's not fully diminished. So this dominant chord acts as our 5 chord and resolves to 1.